Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Last episode, I did this shit. I beat the race thingy mo boober. Now, let's see, what else am I doing? I go this way. Yeah. Back to normal shooting and blowing of shit up. And where the fuck is this? Okay. Where the hell is that? It's gotta be somewhere. Do I take the elevator? No. Oh, I have to go back to the beginning. Yes, this taxi will take you to the beginning. Woo! Public transportation! Alright. Oh yeah, you can't jump while you're in it. This is gonna be like way more relaxing to me than the shittery that was last episode. Fuck. And I will be eaten by... Okay, I didn't die. Odd. I was expecting death. Julio. Yay. Why the fuck did it switch to this? Oh, hydro displacer. Okay. Alrighty then. There. This is a water suck gun. I swear, with all these different like suck weapons, I am the master of suck. And displace it. That was an accident, but still works. Alright, break that, and break that. Drain that shit. And hop over here. Come on. Okay. So I have to go back and do the thing again. I swear, that's like the greatest shit in this whole game. The helipack. You just like go wherever. Grab out. Oh, that was an accident. Dive. Let's go up. Up. Come on. Come on. Favorite fighting game, like, thing. That was an accident. Kind of, but also not really. Fuck, I remember this. We need a pyrator. Alright, so the water's gonna be chasing us to try to drown us. Like that. And shit just kind of like seeps out of the ground from nowhere. Or it does that. Completely forgot about it. Genuine mistake. Burn, motherfucker. Ooh. Yeah, to like try to make it through this shit, it's probably the best idea not to fall. Come on. And this is the one spot that like you need to dive in. Come on. Phew. So the water destroys them, but it could also kill me. You know, here am I for her little ass up there. Come on. Come on. Okay. Life. Made it. Surprised I made that shit in one go. Remember in the past, that would take me like at least 8 or 5 tries. Never really in one. Oh yeah, I remember this shit.
Conference is over. Captain Qwark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
Oh, you see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You mean you and your walking camera? You paparazzi
Buzzkill.
make me sick. Now beat it.
But sir, I'm sure the Captain Qwark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. Then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million votes.
You got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 votes an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Qwark. So you don't get in unless I get a kickback in advance. You
Alright,
see how it
4,000.
works? You grease the hinges, the door opens.
Captain Qwark.
What's that? It's Ratchet and Clank, Captain. You know, from the
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planets.
Ratchet,
Gasp!
He knows. Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent. You are a true hero in the making.
Really?
Clank's fucking
I
face.
could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this.
More cutscene. Yay.
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another
This is the
becomes
moment
a
where
hero?
I put my controller down,
Compassion, determination, or just
scratch my
pure
face
blind
and
luck.
whatever other
Wise men
parts of my
for
head I
years have
need to
struggled with that very
that
question.
needs scratching.
But Captain Qwark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other hero in the galaxy. Now is your opportunity to see if you've got the stuff heroes are made of. This infobot contains coordinates to Qwark's secret base. Can you quickly conquer Qwark's killer cannonade of confounded contraction? Can you quickly can you Qwarkly quick? Oh, just make your way through the defenses to the center of the base. Prove yourself, learn the secret, and earn your place in galactic history. Consult your doctor before attempting any strenuous exercise. Not responsible for death or dismemberment. Your results may vary.
Excuse me.
Meet me at my headquarters.
Hey, Captain Ratchet. What do you think?
We won't fail you, sir. We promise.
Alright. More shit to break, yay. Ground pound! Still so satisfying. Yeah, this is the thing. Alright. Awesome. So we've covered the whole area. That's the rhino that we can't get. And yeah, time to make my merry ass way back to the ship. Flame trail. Bitch, I don't care about like wasting ammo. I'm rich. Alright. Let me off. Let's get some more ammo. Hold this shit down for a little while.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Alright. Alright. Let's make our merry ass way over there. But the amount of fucking cutscenes there are, hopefully we'll make it there in one episode. Blast off! And another cutscene.
Now is your chance to prove yourself strong and brave, like me. Conquer it, and you'll join in my fight against evil.
Haven't we done enough already?
What? I can't hear you.
I said, haven't we done?
Sorry, still having trouble. Tell me later.
Later? We might be dead by then.
What?
All right, let's get going.
Alright, so we'll call this an episode. So, I hope you all had fun. I did. Bye.